when you try and cook. I just got home and I'm finishing dinner, and she loves the spud. You take the carrot before. Definitely wants to get into the potato. Does anyone know what why do birds have to do this? Look, it's almost like they want you to pick it up. Actually, probably not the best of things. Okay, maybe not. Not that. The carrot, maybe. Yeah. I'm just going to hide it this time. Nope. No, it has to go over the edge, I'll bet you. Definitely has to drop. Here we go. And bingo. Yeah, what's this? Clothes peg? Yeah. That's so funny. And what is it with everything? Timber. Oh, she's going to make a liar of me. What's this? Oh, don't do that. Hey? Beep. Aren't you beautiful? Such a darling. They're just 100 miles an hour though. If you want a cake, this is every day. This is like, I had her out this morning before I went to gym, and she's like this the whole time. Except she's been flying around a lot. Dive bombing my poor little babies. Don't try and actually think she's trying to shake my hand then. Did you? Did you? Sorry, I'm trying to get it. The way they run after you. What? Oh no, that's the baby thing. Hormone-y thing. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle. Wah, 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 wah. Whoop. Lucky she can fly pretty good. If she goes off the edge, she goes in flight mode. Oh, my little eggy. My little eggy. Well, I've got to continue with the cook. See? What is it with that? Everything. Everything. And laughing at me. People. Laughing at me. Look, she wants the phone now. It's like, get up the shoulder. No, you're not having it. No, you're not having it. All right. See everyone. Life with a cake. Bye.